Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE dryer door strike. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door strike. The door strike works with the door latch to keep the dryer door closed. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dryer won't start. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, you have access to the door strike. Depending upon what side the hinge is on, it could be on either side. So usually it's mounted on the side opposite the hinges. Once you locate it, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold it in. Once you have the screws out, you can pull it off the dryer. The strike is held to the plate by these 4 tabs. So we're just going to compress it on the front with the pliers and get those tabs pressed in enough so we can pull the plate up a little bit. And then you have to let go of the tension on the pliers because you have to open up this side so the strike comes out from those 2 little tabs. Once you have it off, we can change it out. Here's the old door strike next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the door strike onto the plate, you just want to line it up and put it through those little tabs. And once you have it in there, we're going to grab the front with the pliers and compress it and push it through so the locking tabs lock on. Once you have it on, we can put it back on the dryer. To put the strike on, you just want to line the plate up and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the part installed, you can close the door, plug the dryer back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.